Here's interesting trend in app. It's called Try Your Best, TUB. Earn more from the brands you love. Welcome to Rare Beauty Besties to TYB. TYB is a new type of community platform where your participation actually pays off. Every day is a new opportunity to earn. By joining a brand you love on TYB, you are beginning your quest to climb the leaderboard and earn rewards to redeem for discounts. Complete challenges like answering questions to creating content and connect with a community of fellow enthusiasts. When you join Brands World on TYB, you unlock access to exclusive events, announcement, products, and more. So that's the idea. So then there is like a future of rewards. Double click to install. And then there you just have it there. So yeah, you can just open it up. Continue with email, continue with phone provider. Then you can just start and creating an account or continue with the phone number. There are different countries available, so it's not only limited to US. Join the brand community to start earning. Our app is exclusive to brand community members. Discover what brands on TYB and join your favorite to get started. Already a member, make sure using the correct method to log in, email, phone number. All right, so then you just see here all the brands. Join the community of friends helping to create all of your favorite products together, build a better future. Seems like you first need to join as a brand. That's the idea. It's pretty interesting app, but then you can only log in like that with already if you're attached to some kind of brand. So pretty interesting concept. Give it a try.